Hi everyone. So today's session is for the objects in JavaScript. So basically, when we are working with the objects in the JavaScript, we have to understand each and every concept because objects is a very important part in the JavaScript. So just like we have seen in the functions in the previous sessions, so over there we have used the objects. So basically, objects are just like in the programming language, like if the name which we are using or the content which we are using is basically called as a object. Just like if I am using a program of car, so car is a object. So objects in JavaScript, it is the most important data type and forms of the building blocks of the modern JavaScript. These objects are quite different from the JavaScript primitive data types, and there is number, string, boolean, null, undefined and symbol, in the sense that while these primitive data types all store a single value, each depending on their types. Objects are more complex and each objects may contain any combination of these primitive data types. Say an object is a reference data type. Variable that are assigned a reference value are given in a reference or a pointer to the value. That references or pointer point to the location in memory where the object is stored. The variable don't actually store the value. So a JavaScript object is an entity having state and behavior, that is properties and method. For example, like if I am writing the program of pen, so the pen should write, so pen is an object. If I am writing the program of car, so car is an object. Chair, glass, keyboard, monitor, etc., these are called as objects. JavaScript is an object based language. Everything is an object in JavaScript. JavaScript is a template based, not class based. Here we will create one example, and there are three ways to create objects: by object literal, by creating instance of object directly, and by using object constructor. So I have here I provided one screen. So basically here we have used prototyping of the constructor, and in that constructor we are calling the object. So animal is the object. So by let's take one example on this. So just JavaScript object by object literal, by using first example, then we will see the other two. I am providing here as an employee equal to, inside the curly brace, ID colon 1 3 comma name that is Deepak Rai, and again comma salary is 4,000. Now printing the document dot write employee dot id plus double quote plus employee dot name plus double quote employee dot salary. Salary. semicolon. Save this. Let's run. Now you can see my ID, name and the whole salary is printed by using this program. So this is the initialization of the program, like JavaScript object by object literal. So this is the object name. Employee is a object name, and in that object name we have defined all the values. So this is the property 1, that second is property 2, its value, property 3 and its value. So as you can see, property and value is separated by a colon. So this is an example of JavaScript object by object literal. By creating instance of object, the second method, so we have to declare the variable name. Let's create one more. Or copy all the program. In that we have to declare the variable. So variable emp equal to new object semicolon employee dot id equal to 1003 comma name equal to, inside the double quote, Deepak Rai, then semicolon dot salary equal to 4000. Let's copy and paste the whole content. Save. Now you can see same value is printed by using other method. So you can compare both the results like this. So we have declared here is a object by object method, and here we have used the second type is creating instance of an object by using new keywords. So by using object constructor we can also do that. There is a small changes on this, so we have to first declare the function. Inside that function we have to declare whole value like this, and after that we are calling the same function with the constructor name. So that part we will discuss in the construction in JavaScript in the next session. So hope you understand. If you have any queries or comments, please comment in the comment box, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.